Hello fourth class, get ready for today's science class. Students, I want to tell you most important milestones you have reached in your life. As we grow up, we experience different ways that we look in different things that we can do. Before you were babies and now you are children. Soon you will be teenagers and finally adults. Insects go through stages too. Student, here is a question for you. Question is, do insects have a life cycle? Let's discuss the answer. Insects also have a life cycle like other living things. Clear? Students, we are doing block 6 more about insects, and today we will read about the life cycle of an ant to understand the different stages in the life cycle of an insect. Clear? Students, now please open your content book of science. Lesson 3, life cycle of an ant. Let's start reading. An ant begins its life cycle as an egg. The ant larva hatches from the egg. Ant larvae have no legs and eyes and depend on worker ants in the ant colony to feed them. So ant larva has no legs and no eyes and depend on worker ants to feed them. Clear? A larva ant spins a cocoon around itself and becomes a pupa. Cocoon मतलब a protective case spun by larva. एक परत होती है. Clear? This one is cocoon around itself and becomes a pupa. परत चढ़ाने के बाद वो क्या बन जाता है? Pupa. An adult ant appears in about 6 to 10 weeks after the egg is laid. I hope lesson is clear to you all. So here is a question based on that lesson. Question is, what are the different stages in the life cycle of an ant? Let's discuss the answer. The stages are egg, larva, pupa and adult. As you can see, egg, larva and larva have no eyes and no legs. Next one is pupa. A larva ant spins a cocoon around itself and becomes a pupa. Clear? And then adult ants. This one is worker female that feed the larva ant. I hope you understand that. Now students, tell me, how are the life cycles of an ant and a human similar and different? Why do we study the life cycle of an ant? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Human babies and ant larvae both need a lot of care. However, there are many differences. Human babies do not hatch from eggs and they do not form a pupa. I hope you understand the difference between both of them. Ants are a very common insect. Studying their life cycle gives us an idea about the life cycle of an other insects. Clear? So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, why is the word cycle used to describe both the life of an organism and the water cycle? Let's discuss the answer. The water cycle starts with the evaporation of the water from the sea and ends with water coming back to the sea through rains, as you can see in the picture. Similarly, an ant's life cycle begins with an ant and ants within the ant's life cycle begins with an egg and ends with the adult which can lay an egg. I hope it is clear to you all that ant life cycle is begin with eggs and ant to adult ant which can lay eggs. Now students, please now students, we will discuss the keywords of this lesson. First one is egg, then larva, pupa. Clear? So these are your keywords and you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now please open your worksheet. S3, life cycle of an ant. First question is, number the stages in the life cycle of an ant in the correct order. So you have to number the life cycle of an ant in correct order. So this one is adult ant. These are eggs, pupa and larva. Clear? So you have to number these stages in correct order. Adult ant, eggs, pupa, larva. So first one is eggs and then larva. So you have to do this question. Clear? Next one is, how is the pupa stage different from the larva stage in the life cycle of an ant? So आपको बताना है larva stage और pupa stage में difference. Ant larvae have no legs and no eyes and depend on worker ants in the ant colony to feed them. Clear? A larva ant spins a cocoon around itself and becomes a pupa. I hope it is clear. Next one is, number the stages in the life cycle of butterfly. So you have to number the stages of life cycle of a butterfly. Clear? Like first one is egg, so you will put number 1 here, and which life cycle is come on number 2, you will write on this number 2. Clear? Now it's time for practice questions. You have to do practice question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 is, draw the life cycle of an ant. So you have to draw the life cycle of an ant. Next one is, explain the larva and pupa stages of an ant's life cycle. Clear? Thank you students for watching this video.